feeling horny. Oh my god, why can't I be a friend? You don't even step out as well. No boyfriend, nothing. Okay. What does that mean you'll be I should go for the cleaner. Who? Okay, Mama, go just boy when you are.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan.
Station! Go ahead.
I won't look back ever again. Yeah. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel
station, what? Station, income is simple. I'm sure I don't want me room.
Sir, Mamma, we will have a bonus for Mamma.
Tippy.
We will see you.
Station,
we will have a for Mamma.
They put each other for 2 hours. I bet you are.
Emergency.
Emergency.
And you can have a visit. And I don't know what you are. And you are good. Now, me for my dinner, I'm going to have a
you pull out this 7 up.
Sir, and then I come. Madam is too bad. Eh? Madam,
I know this is saying. When you go my bedroom outside there,
when you said Baby cleaning, you know,
there be this time around. Who are the boy and Shuma?
Madam, you be down.
Who you then be that? Metro. Metro.
Madam,
I wouldn't say if you has only my wine say. A big pea. It is a big pinia or something. Not less than 30 minutes. Station. Station. Oh, say, you ain't coming with your own. You want to be sacked. Metro. Drop Tyreno. Hey, now I don't know what say. Hey. Station. Jesus Christ.
So, I don't so much, so bad, but it's
Stacy! Hey, you're sorry from
that's it. That's what
see.
Madam, I am Stacy. Messi, I'm not going to Padilla.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Madam, marching.
What is marching?
Marching. Marching. I know some of our way. Me see you now. And now we done him. And now I know for one. As I know that him too much. Was up and away is you. And you may be a Uncle baby. What am I? Uncle baby. Oh, madam said, I'm not making the cover. You soon tell me, baby. Uncle baby. What if things are? Uncle baby. What if things are? Open film. Rubbish. 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 What's wrong with this? I said, we better rubbish. So now we're finding my dad. Mom, who cry only my mate. Who can't tell me a rubbish? Share. Maybe a rubbish. We could just about how can you rubbish? Say rubbish. Because you can't even print this station. Who don't make over? This is where are you from? This is our money. Say rubbish. What's wrong with that? I will say yes. Say rubbish. Ah, rubbish. Rubbish. Obi anu ni won rubbish. Because last time na propaganda cast were rubbish. Propaganda no no. We know rubbish.
I can't wait to touch you. It's been a long time waiting for this day. Are you sure?
Yes.
But you leave here tomorrow morning. Oh, you want to stay?
Any day you want me to leave, don't worry.
Are you sure? If you will buy food.
You can go and get some food. I get something before.
The work is. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Thank you, Brad.
As well. Today I'm not going home. Today I'm sleeping.
Oh, boss.
What are you doing here? How did you get here? Station, I said, how did you get? No, don't. I'm asking you. I said, how did you get here? How did you get here? That's what I'm asking you. Oh! Will you answer my question? How did you get here? How did you get in here? How? How did?
What's going on?
No, we are in a single room. How did you get here? At this time? It's me. Why don't you show up? Okay. You have done. Are you done?
Like, what's going on? Should I leave?
He's my cleaner.
And what's he doing here?
I don't know at this moment.
Okay,
No. Not to this point.
Boss.
Not to this. Yeah, station. Station. Me pacho, you done cleaning, right?
I'm leaving.
No, you go.
What's going on? By this time, now let's take the time. What is your quick?
No, let me tell you something. He's my cleaner, and
I said I'm leaving. Hey!
Boss, out. Boss, out. Boss, station, I said out. Station out. Station, listen. Jesus. Station out. I said out! I said out! Station out! I said out! Out! Station, don't provoke me! Don't!
my brand would have been. You're going to be able to go to your Manica.
Dear me, and Cassama, you did they say Nika?
Good of life, no one ever tell us a visa. But we see them in pure water.
Do you like this place?
Hi, come on, Mama.
Do you like it?
I saw for my young man.
Hope you enjoy this place. You are enjoying this place, right?
My head, Daddy. Who has a flat?
See. Oh, so what do you want them to offer you? What do you want them to offer you?
More for some of the kind. More for the one more blow.
No, I'm not talking about your uncle. I'm just asking, what do you want them to offer you?
Because I'm more for the. No more for the. You mean the you. Because when you must say, we know what for about Lucas. Now, Baba.
You are talking so much. I'm not talking about your uncle. Okay, let's forget about that part. So, what food do you want? What do you want to eat? Like, they have a lot of stuff. What do you want?
Come again.
What food do you want? I'm talking about food.
Food?
Yes.
Oh, I'm vegetarian. Vegetarian.
How? But they don't have those vegetables food here. So you have to say another thing.
A generic. Oh. What
does this place look like? I'm not only Marco. Hey! Stop talking to me. What's the meaning of this? Oh, forget about it.
You're going to when I say she found me, do Pia, Maku, Matala, some new Pia, baby, I'll be dressed. Come off. That is all come off. Huh? That is all come to we are going to be here. Who to park a ban, bear 2-3 weeks here. Oh, what was that? Offer. More than that, actually, will marry you. But you are made up of you. This is the Adam's cat also. If I from my fiancé, I go in Sudan, me a dinner. And you never do, I will do come out. Because you perform some free and push just and then me a jibber. Now, oh, my God, who found a ball? My minion and the was here, make us a jam. Oh, better. Oh, baby, I don't do it. I was only I don't hope. Oh, Gynel, sir, yeah, the way and form is and you pray, come up. Near the truth, dear. Now, there are you know, the Gynel Abaha. And I don't bear it. Because of the two to happen. Hey, but the woman said, and yet I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know. So we are 9 for come. That was beautiful. A year old teacher sent me. I don't so. Or Johnson. That's what we are doing, sir. There be one Johnson is different. Or Johnson, or Johnson, and you know, sir, or Johnson. Well, Johnson, them when you know, Johnson, them. What done I do? Also, not Johnson 7 times. Where you do so crumble? Where you do so crumble? Little so quiet. Maybe I'm in the roof here. Miss, why do so crumble? Who's saying, Papa? Station. What's the name? What's the name? Who's so crumble? Madam, what's it? God forbid. Mr. Wood so sorry. Maybe go for big. Now, also a drone so. What you said? Now, we are one also. Welcome you what you do. Miss Wood so. Also, about him, so Johnson. Hey, one thing. Also, I have a Johnson there now. Also, what Johnson know of them. Also, Johnson station. Oh, about officer Johnson. Who excuse me.
before countless time. Oh, me young so urgent. One from a call. When feeling poor.
Shows and my catch yourself in the class here, the film from Tom. It's a film met me about Nabal. Those times I'll film you, I'm busy.
Why busy? As you said, I won't hear you, so you can go home.
Oh, but I also need you, you know that.
Suppose you're not able to satisfy when I needed you.
So why come on Sakasa? As you said, the book in your mention. One might read me.
One has a win papa. One of 5 evening now by.
No, my head,
my family review. You see my so cool now, son.
Mimi to go. Also, Madame, open so cup to the station. Now get say what was up. I was to discover to Papa. What?
Wait,
now come excuse me.
I can't go on a moment. Who are the power? Also, at least. Who was also in Abagay? Open castle as well. What are you going to ah, so. Back myself, so to say, Madame. And this is what I said, because Mr. Sato pick a grandma.
I heard the Kafra, who quite for you, no boy.
So, Yaman,
no, but it's good. When I called, when I needed you so urgently, you didn't even pick up my call. I was very busy. Busy and so you didn't see my missed call. You didn't see my missed call. Sorry. No, it's okay. Since you didn't attend to when I needed you, it's fine. You can go home. So just go home. No, it's fine.
We have a boy in the power. I was my Sakasan. As I must know, because those my Sakasans. I would pin a walk as I will get out. I don't know.
One prayer, what can drop? You see, I was about to confuse you.
The party before. Set a cram from one from any part of the phone. To the fatum. Well, no walk with my new child.
For the matter, forgive me.
Oh, my heating.
What is it going on?
Oh, we have heat.
Stacy.
So, remember, what you can see. Ah, Madame, it doesn't make what I saw. What I saw, what I saw. I don't open down with her compound.
It's okay. Leave. Oh, there, yes.
That was also from the free house.
Fifia said, go, it's over between us.
What can I say? We are going to do.
Fifia.
Make a dozen. I will never have said. Oh, Madame Daniel, Madame Blah. Ubaka said you, Ubaka said you. No, Papa. Sapa pound. I said, son of a picture inside a papa crab. Papa had it in Mosau. The crab runs out of coffee. Now watching. Same thing. Madame, now have a crowd. Nothing. Miss Mohadi. Maybe if you how? How do one? Sure. When now? Sir. I'm not father. I was going to go one of you. Gonna need more.
Sir, you said Ghana for them go no what's a mouth.
Yeah.
And can what we have to
black. We don't need to go to jail. I'm afraid black monkeys. Ah, you must see black monkeys. Ah, what's all more? So when you need Bema Pound school more. What for my what? I only need that's all Yanamon. You want to break it to Saba. But how many Miss Agako? Oh, fresh boy. Mosquito right. But I'm a yellow. Oh, you have a piano so far of the moon. Who are 7 most of the pay. Most of them, as you know, no height. What more to you? What's it? Koda. May chin that you can frame and may chin that you can frame and why. What sort of you know what? Ah, no, you got so you was. Maybe.
Gynel. Listen, I don't want to see my only sister in this mood. What is bothering you? Why are you sitting here quiet? Looks like you are worried.
Of course I'm worried.
About what?
I don't know what's happening. Especially with my boyfriend. Yes, I've been calling him. He won't pick up the call. And when he sees my missed call he doesn't return them. I'm surprised.
Anyway.
And you know, the most annoying part is he even came this afternoon. And when, yes, he came here.
Wow.
And while we were talking, I used to have, like, he has calmed down and he has regretted what he has done. So I told him I'm forgiving him. The next minute, he went to diss me to station.
How?
I don't want to see my real sister go. It looks like something is bothering you.
Of course, something is really bothering me.
About what?
I don't know what's happening with this, my boyfriend.
Junior.
Yeah, Junior. I don't know what's wrong with him. When I call him, he won't answer my call. He doesn't return my missed calls. Nothing. And then he came here after we reconciling. He just went to tell station, then, what's it then? Or the cemetery.
Station.
And a station, when a station before man, and I don't want to see him again. It's over between the two of us.
Yeah, listen.
That guy.
I don't think that's true.
Mr. Odesino, I was just
No,
a
listen.
minute away from there.
Be careful how you interfere station with your relationship matters. Because the same thing station did to me in my room. My girlfriend came to my room. Meanwhile, she was at the bathhouse cleaning. I was there with my woman talking. He didn't show up. I was about to, then all of a sudden he appeared. Hey, I'm here, I'm doing it. So be careful. Don't lose your guy because of station. Don't lose him because of that. Station is a troublesome.
Hey, Jabba! Jabba!
Don't touch me. Hey, don't. I'm talking to my sister now. I said I'm talking to my sister. Go back. Nobody has called you yet. Go. Don't sit. What is that? Who give you seat? Don't you have respect? You talk to this guy. Talk to this guy. I said don't sit with me. I'm talking to my sister. Is that what saying you? So? Don't touch me. I don't. You see, I'm tired of this drama. Don't entertain him. He will make you lose your guy. Don't entertain this guy. He will make you lose your guy.
Take it easy with him.
It's because of him you are in this mood. Sis, come on. I love you so much. Can you just deal with this thing? Focus on him. He will destroy the relationship. And I don't want to see you in this mood. I'm telling you, Jenna, be careful. Be careful how you entertain this guy in this house. Don't touch me. Now you don't have respect for us again. You see? Come on and pray. Come on, house clean. Now you don't respect. You behave as if you are equal. I talk, you talk. I talk, you talk. Now you see? We can't control you anymore.
Please, it's enough. Oh, God.
Control it yourself.
Me yes sir ko say madam any boss e be from any babo kase station o he man su yama me amu pe de e dre nyina entre dia so grow all tree is grow me hwem sa am madam any boss from che boss station mo akopa no gofo o he man mama e kama no ma betena fi ahwe nja ha ma be sese wo fi ha god forbid chineke hwe e dre nyina entre dia so grow all this tree is grow. Who is balancing? Onya. We jaba we catch me say okay. Me say we lie. So ti won me onya ho e go for ba abe you be ma ene nada. Nyame mpamu abre kwa me starting no ba nai. Obi no be sexy go bi o fia. O da